Every great journey begins with a single step. Every champion starts with a dream. 25 years ago, Venture Credit Union laced up for the ultimate race.
When this event was first held in June 18, 1999, it was then a 6K, and the objective was to promote healthy lifestyle for the members of the credit union.
From that first starting gun, each year brought new records. 6 kilometers became 5. Dozens became hundreds. Hundreds became thousands.
And it's always been about people. And we put people first, and we have always focused on people and building people together, of bringing the whole community together. This year, not only the community, we're bringing the whole country, and as you see, we are bringing the foreigners also. We want to make it a one world system. And so to us, we're bringing people together. We remain a team for us for a long time.
The dedication behind the scenes was immense. The transformation was remarkable.
Over time, the event has grown in popularity and importance to the running and racing community of Trinidad and Tobago.
Our greatest prize is the Desmond Baxter Challenge Trophy. Mr. Baxter was a board director and he was also the chairman. Unfortunately, he passed away. So in his honor, we have created this Desmond Baxter Challenge Trophy. Innovation became the heartbeat of progress.
What makes it even nicer this year, we have something called the chip and math system. It's fully computerized.
By 2024, the excitement was palpable.
We already have over 1,000 registrants. Yeah, it's one of the biggest 5Ks and a lot of excitement around it.
Champions like Samantha Shukla embodied the event's heart.
I've been in this sport since I was like 8 years old. I have a picture back home where I'm very, very small and this tiny, tiny little girl coming second in the Venture Credit Union 5K.
Her words capture the essence.
You know, I love seeing ages of people from the young to the old coming out, especially the families coming out on that morning and just enjoying being able to celebrate their health.
25 years of community spirit, as Board President Charles Percy proclaimed.
Our 5K run and fun walk is more than just an event on the local road running calendar. It is a celebration of our collective spirit, resilience and unity.
For 25 years, they've proven their philosophy with the 5K run and fun walk. Why just dream when you can venture? Why just imagine community when you can venture to build it? Running towards the future. 25 years strong. Venture Credit Union, where dreams become ventures.